Flirting is an art, not a science. Yet it's something that leaves many of us feeling awkward, unsure, or even terrified. But here's the truth. Flirting isn't about cheesy pickup lines or trying too hard. It's about confidence, connection, and having fun. Whether you're stepping into the dating world for the first time or just want to sharpen your skills, today's video is for you. Stick around, because I'm going to share 9 foolproof flirting tips that are easy to learn, fun to practice, and guaranteed to boost your confidence. By the end of this video, you'll feel ready to charm anyone effortlessly. Let's dive right in and turn flirting from awkward to awesome. Number 1, the power of a genuine smile. A smile is your secret weapon when flirting. It's simple, yet incredibly powerful. Why? Because a genuine smile is inviting. It makes you approachable and shows that you're warm and confident. When you smile, it puts the other person at ease and sets a positive tone for the interaction. Here's the trick. Make your smile authentic. Practice in front of a mirror if needed. Don't plaster a forced grin on your face. Instead, think of something that makes you happy. Then when you approach someone, let that joy shine through. A smile paired with eye contact creates an instant connection. Just don't overdo it. Staring too long can come across as creepy. Smile when the moment feels natural, like when you exchange greetings or share a laugh. It's your way of saying, I'm open to getting to know you. Remember, a smile is a universal language. It works wonders across all cultures and situations. So flash those pearly whites and watch the magic unfold. Number 2, start with light, playful conversation. Flirting doesn't have to be serious. It's supposed to be fun. Start with a light, playful conversation. This could be a witty comment, a funny observation, or even a quirky question. The goal here is to break the ice and create a comfortable, friendly vibe. For example, if you're at a coffee shop, you could say, "Is it just me, or does this place always have the longest line? Must be the secret ingredient in their coffee." It's casual, humorous, and opens the door for a response. Remember, flirting is like playing catch. You toss the ball, your comment, and they toss it back, their response. Keep it light and don't force a laugh if it doesn't land. Avoid heavy topics or anything that feels like an interview. You're not conducting a job interview. You're simply sparking curiosity and building rapport. By being playful and relaxed, you set the tone for a fun and engaging interaction. And who doesn't love a good laugh to kick things off? Number 3, use eye contact to build attraction. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in flirting. It speaks volumes without saying a word. When done right, it creates a sense of intimacy and intrigue. But how do you use it effectively? Start by holding eye contact for just a second longer than usual. For example, if you're talking to someone, lock eyes while they're speaking. Show you're genuinely interested in what they're saying. A subtle smile while maintaining eye contact can make the moment even more powerful. However, don't overdo it. Staring too long can make people uncomfortable. Think of it as a balance. Hold eye contact briefly, look away, and then return. It creates a playful push-pull dynamic. Pro tip? Pair eye contact with a glance and a slight tilt of your head. This combo signals curiosity and attraction. If they hold eye contact back, it's a sign they're interested too. Eye contact is your silent way of saying, "I see you and I'm intrigued." Use it wisely and you'll spark chemistry effortlessly. Number 4, compliment with authenticity. Compliments are a great way to make someone feel special, but they need to come from the heart. Instead of generic lines like, "You're pretty," focus on something unique about the person. For example, if they have a great laugh, say, "I love how your laugh lights up the room." Or if you notice their sense of style, mention it. That's a bold choice of color. It suits you perfectly. Authenticity is key. People can sense when a compliment is genuine versus when it's forced. Compliments that are specific and thoughtful resonate more deeply because they show you're paying attention. Also, don't overdo it. Too many compliments can feel overwhelming. Sprinkle them naturally throughout the conversation. When you compliment someone in a way that feels real and personal, it creates an instant connection and shows that you truly appreciate them. Number 5, light touches to create chemistry. Physical touch, when done subtly and appropriately, can add a spark to your flirting game. A light touch on the arm, shoulder, or hand during a conversation can signal interest and create a sense of closeness. For instance, if they say something funny, gently touch their arm as you laugh. Or if you're walking side by side, a casual brush of your hand can be enough to build attraction. However, always pay attention to their comfort level. If they seem to pull away or look uncomfortable, Respect their boundaries. Flirting is about creating a mutual connection, not making someone feel uneasy. The key is to keep it natural and nonchalant. A touch here and there can subtly communicate, "I'm interested in you," without needing to say it outright. When used sparingly and thoughtfully, light touches can create an undeniable chemistry that words alone can't achieve. Number 6, mirror their energy and body language. Mirroring is a psychological technique that involves subtly copying someone's body language, tone, or energy level. When done naturally, it creates a subconscious sense of rapport and connection. For example, if they're animated and talkative, match their enthusiasm. If they're more reserved, tone down your energy to make them feel comfortable. This shows that you're in sync with them. The same goes for body language. If they lean in while talking, lean in slightly too. If they use hand gestures, mirror them subtly. Avoid being too obvious. It should feel natural and unforced. Mirroring helps build trust and makes the other person feel understood. It's like saying, "We're on the same wavelength." This technique is especially useful in flirting, as it helps create a seamless flow in your interactions. Number 7, show a sense of humor. Humor is one of the quickest ways to break the ice and make someone feel at ease. Sharing a laugh creates an instant bond and makes you more attractive. You don't need to be a stand-up comedian. Just focus on keeping things lighthearted. Playfully tease them in a kind way, or make witty observations about your surroundings. For example, if they're struggling to decide what to order, you could say, "Careful, your choice here could be life-changing." The key is to avoid jokes that could be offensive or too personal. Keep it fun and inclusive. If they laugh at your jokes, it's a good sign they're enjoying the interaction. A good sense of humor shows that you're confident and don't take yourself too seriously. So don't be afraid to let your playful side shine. It's a major flirting win. Number 8, create intrigue with mystery. Flirting thrives on a balance of openness and mystery. Instead of revealing everything about yourself right away, drop hints about your interests or experiences that spark curiosity. For instance, if they ask about your hobbies, you could say, "I have a passion that most people wouldn't guess about me, but you'll have to find out later." This leaves them intrigued and wanting to know more. Mystery keeps the conversation exciting and makes you more memorable. It's like giving them a puzzle to solve, but in a playful way. However, don't be overly vague. It's important to keep the interaction fun and engaging. Share enough to pique their interest while leaving room for them to explore more about you over time. Number 9, end on a positive note. Ending the interaction gracefully is just as important as starting it. When it's time to wrap up the conversation, leave them with a positive impression. For example, you could say, "I've really enjoyed talking to you. It's not every day you meet someone who loves as much as I do." If appropriate, exchange contact information or suggest continuing the conversation another time. This shows you're interested without coming on too strong. Ending on a high note keeps the energy positive and ensures they'll remember you fondly. After all, the goal of flirting is to create a connection and leave them wanting more. And there you have it, 9 easy yet powerful flirting tips to get you started. Remember, flirting isn't about being perfect. It's about being authentic, confident, and open to connection. Practice these tips, take it one step at a time, and most importantly, have fun with it. Flirting is meant to be playful and lighthearted, so don't overthink it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little boost in their flirting game. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on relationships, personal growth, and confidence building. Now, it's your turn. Drop a comment below and let me know, which tip are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite flirting story? I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching.